Hi, my name's Hayden Groves, and today we're going to make a risotto Milanese using the Hotmix Pro. So just a quick look at the ingredients. We're using some fantastic carnaroli rice from Riso Gallo, butter, parmesan, onion, saffron that's just been soaked in some white wine, and some hot chicken broth there. Now you could replace that with a vegetable-based stock or broth if you're a vegetarian, of course. And then I'm going to grate my parmesan. Now I could use one of those, but I'm going to use the Hotmix Pro. And there's our coarsely grated parmesan to finish our risotto at the end. Now what's pretty cool about the Hotmix Pro is the recipes that are already set into the system. So I'm going to go to the recipe page. I'm going to select one of the recipes that's already been programmed in. So I go to rice dishes, select risotto, and now it's loading. So what it's asking for is 30 grams of onions. So I'll take my lid, put some onions just cut into rough pieces, in they go, close the lid, push start. Okay, so onion is chopped. Now it's asking me to insert my blade. In that goes, into a little snap. 40 grams of butter, in that goes. Lid down. That's just stirring away. It's beginning to heat up. Nice pinch of salt right through the middle. So those 5 minutes are up. It's been cooking at 90 degrees, and now it's asking for our carnaroli rice. So lid off, see. Just show you what's happening there. So, see the onion's been sweating down. Just going to have a little scrape down. In we go with our rice. Lid back on. Push the start button. Now that's cooking for 10 minutes. And while that's doing its thing, I'll finish my cup of coffee. So just look at the display. So we're on step 3 out of 6. We've got 5 minutes, 38 seconds and counting. Speed 1. I'm currently at 98 degrees Celsius. But I can still touch the outside because of the double wall container. Okay, we've just got the last few seconds left of step 3, which is toasting the carnaroli rice. Okay, now it's asking for our stock. So I'm just going to give a little scrape down. I'm going to add my white wine. I'm just going to remove the lid and let that white wine just evaporate. There's only a small amount of white wine in this recipe. As you can see, that's evaporating away. Now I'm going to go in with some hot chicken stock. I've got 1 litre here. So I just want to show you what's happening now. So 2 minutes 50 left. We'll just pause, lift our lid, watch out for the steam, and you can just see what's happening there. The risotto is bubbling away. Okay, now we're being asked for that grated parmesan that we did on the Hotmix Pro earlier. So it's very important to just check and make sure that the rice is fluid enough, finds its own level. If you need to add a little touch more stock, then now will be the time. For me, that's great. I'm adding in my parmesan cheese, cube of butter, lid down, push start. A lovely risotto Milanese. Just remove our paddle, put that there. Let's take a look. Beautiful velvety risotto. Put it onto a plate. Very important that that finds its own level. And there you go. Risotto Milanese. No stirring, just let the Hotmix Pro do the work. So now the best bit, lunch. I warn you, it's hot though. Rice still has a lovely bite, beautiful creamy texture, lovely flavour. I'm going to go and eat this. See you later.